Hi, this is my implementation of assignment 3, match 3. So first of all, addition of points and time. So let's see if that works. Let's use a normal block here, and that should be 150 points and 10 extra seconds, and indeed it does. So the second thing is ensure all levels, well actually level 1 starts with blank blocks and goes onwards, and indeed it also does do that. You can see we have flat blocks, but if we manage to go to the next level, we will get different looking blocks. So let's see if we can do that. Now the next thing is allow swapping when there's a combination. So here it doesn't let me because there's no match, but here it does, so it does indeed check for that as well. Now this, alright, and we go to the next level. Here we can see we have crosses now, and those do also give us more points. So let's see if we can match a few of them. Alright, so this should be extra points because it has one cross, and yes, it was 200 instead of 150. Because one of the blocks was a cross, which is double points, so instead of 50 it was 100. Right, let's get another one. Good. And shiny blocks work as well. Let's see if I can demonstrate that here somehow. Yes, I can. So it destroys an entire column or row, and it gives you the points for all of the blocks contained within. Right, let's see if nope, that's not a combination. Here it is. And the game does also ensure that there are combinations at every point. Alright, let's see if we can maybe level up here so we don't lose. Here it is. So if there is no combination, the level will actually restart. Although, considering that the number of blocks is reduced, there almost certainly always will be a combination. But let's quickly get out of the game here and see how it ensures that there is in fact always a combination. So in essence, it all happens here. Every time a match is made, the play state actually also calls a function from board here, which is called has matches, and it checks the entire board for possible matches, and it does that here. So the board is 8 by 8, and it goes through that. It selects a tile, so that is the coordinates in the grid, and then it checks all the adjacent tiles and swaps them, fake swaps them, using the actual function calculate matches that we already had in the distro code. And if it does not find any matches, it will return false. But if it does have any matches, it will return true. And if it does have matches, it is just gonna change the level, and it changes it here. So it goes back to begin game, but it doesn't go to the next level, it goes to the same level, and then because the game restarted, that will re-trigger the board setting initializing function. So we do indeed get a different layout as well. Although, as mentioned, that doesn't happen as frequently because the number of blocks was reduced to make it more playable. Alright, I think that does actually cover it all now. So that should be fine. Shiny blocks, and yes, that is all. Alright, thank you very much for listening.